Imagine a world where machines can think, learn, and communicate, not just through code, but through signals that mirror the human brain itself. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, engineers at the University of Massachusetts Amherst have taken a giant step toward that reality. They've built the first ever artificial neuron that truly behaves like a biological one. And get this, it can even talk to real brain cells. For decades, scientists have tried to replicate how neurons, the building blocks of our brain, send and receive electrical signals. Traditional artificial neurons in computers or chips mimic the function of neurons mathematically, but they don't behave like them electrically. That's where this breakthrough changes everything. Researchers at UMass Amherst have built a tiny artificial neuron using protein nanowires harvested from a remarkable microbe called Geobacter sulfurescens. This microbe, found in soil, produces microscopic wires that conduct electricity naturally, a perfect foundation for mimicking the bioelectricity of living tissue. These nanowire-based devices operate at just 0.1 volts, the exact same voltage used by neurons in the human brain. That's the first time in history an artificial neuron has matched both the energy efficiency and signaling characteristics of real biological cells. So, how does it actually work? Think of a neuron as a switch. It receives electrical signals, processes them, and sends them onward. In the human brain, billions of neurons fire in complex patterns, creating everything from thoughts to emotions. The artificial neuron developed at UMass Amherst works in a similar way. The protein nanowires act like conductive channels, carrying minuscule charges. When voltage is applied, these nanowires respond just like real neuron membranes, generating spikes of current, the same type of electrical pulse our neurons use to communicate. Even more impressively, these artificial neurons can connect and interact with biological neurons in a lab setting. That means the artificial cell can literally talk to living brain cells, a kind of bioelectronic dialogue between man-made and natural intelligence. This breakthrough opens doors to extraordinary possibilities. In medicine, it could lead to biocompatible brain implants that restore lost neural functions, repair damaged circuits, or help patients with paralysis regain control over their bodies. Imagine artificial neurons seamlessly bridging gaps in damaged spinal cords or treating neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Beyond healthcare, this could transform the future of AI and computing. If we can build networks of these low-power artificial neurons, we might someday develop machines that don't just simulate intelligence, but actually function with the same electrical principles as the human brain, efficient, adaptive, and alive in their own way. Researchers believe this is just the beginning. The long-term vision is to build hybrid systems, part biological, part artificial, capable of learning, healing, and even evolving. It's a glimpse into a future where the line between living and synthetic intelligence becomes beautifully blurred. As lead researchers put it, their goal isn't to replace biology, it's to understand and enhance it. By combining nature's design with human innovation, they're crafting technologies that think, feel, and respond like never before. So, what do you think? Are we ready for a world where machines and minds truly connect? Share your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more stories from the frontier of science and technology.